So, what's this place called?
Okay, Brianna.
Well, oh yeah, Fish Eating Springs, I think, is where we're at. We just found this abandoned train,
I got a video. I can
and we're sitting on it. I think, oh geez, there's a cop. Guys. Oh geez.
Okay.
Stop yelling at us. Just yell. Sorry.
I have really nothing else to do.
So yeah, guys, that's goodbye to the train over there. They're angry. There goes the jerky people. Party poopers. It could actually be. Okay, these people are not stopping me. I am gonna bring this piece of the train back as a souvenir. Okay, guys, so yeah, I'll see you when we get there. Do you guys think I should be carrying the wheel I found? I found a wheel in a creek. So I hopped down there and I grabbed the wheel. Think I should be carrying it? I have her back there having it in her basket. We're going back. It's like really far down the road. It's nowhere road. Camping. So yeah, we're gonna be down there. Yeah, I think that's not gonna be it for the